Companies are moving their mission-critical workloads like SAP onto clouds. These workloads are complex and have to meet numerous requirements for deployment, performance, security, governance, and compliance. Let's take a 400 VM SAP landscape as an example and see what the options are for deploying this landscape onto Azure. The first option is to deploy manually. The second is to hire a team and purchase tools to automate the process. And the third is to use SAP Landscape Deployment and Management as a service on Azure, powered by Vnomic Hyperautomation. The manual approach to deploying SAP landscapes on Azure involves hiring an army of people to execute the deployment and management tasks. This approach takes many months to complete, requires lots of testing to eliminate manual errors, as well as paying for people's time in the Azure infrastructure, resulting in hundreds of thousands of dollars in cost before an SAP landscape of 400 VMs even goes into production. Companies could instead hire a team of developers to automate the deployment and management of SAP workloads on Azure, but the team needs to plan, develop, test, and maintain the automation solution and support the ever-changing SAP, Microsoft, performance, security, governance, and compliance requirements. This is a costly option in every way, and the expenses never really stop. Customers no longer write their own ERP, so why would they write the ERP deployment and management automation? But there's a better way. Vnomic's hyperautomation is a proven, out-of-the-box solution that deploys in hours and meets all SAP and Microsoft best practices, saving weeks of work and hundreds of thousands of dollars required for a manual or in-house automation team investment. Not only that, but Vnomic also reduces the Azure consumption cost during the deployment phase of the SAP landscape on Azure by more than 95% compared to manual efforts. Vnomic is an SAP and Microsoft global partner offering a consumption-based solution so customers have no risk and only pay once the SAP landscape is deployed on Azure to their satisfaction. We even offer a free POC to show how simple and easy the process is. Visit Vnomic online and request yours today.